this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of May 7th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Next week is Nurses Appreciation Week. Please feel free to have your students show some love to Nurse Bobby or Nurse Kim. Our next virtual open house is for Wednesday, May 12th. 5:30 to 6:15 p.m. is the elementary school, and 6:30 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. is for our secondary campus. Please let any friends or family that are interested in PBMA for next year check out our open houses. This is also a great opportunity for 5th graders to check out our middle school and incoming kindergartners to learn about our school. Please email me for the Google Meets link at scooper@pbmalantana.org. May is Mental Health Awareness Month. Teachers and students are encouraged to wear green on May 20th to promote a recognition of mental health issues. Thursday, May 27th at 6 o'clock p.m. is our virtual kindergarten roundup. This is a very important orientation for next year's kindergarten class. I will email the link to our kindergarten parents that will be attending next year. On Monday, May 31st, school is closed for Memorial Day. The last day of school will be Friday, June 18th. State standardized testing is still going on for a few more weeks. Here is the high school testing information. Here is the middle school testing information. And finally, this is the elementary testing information. Here's a message from Miss T, our Executive Director.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie Terciero and I'm the Executive Director of Palm Beach Maritime Academy and High School. I wanted to take a moment during Teacher Appreciation Week to thank our fantastic faculty for all that they've done. I think that teachers have been the unsung heroes of this pandemic. They pivoted from in-school and on-site learning to distance learning with live lessons, and our teachers had live lessons right away, to this year and throughout the year having students in their classrooms and learning from home. I think some of the lessons I've seen are absolutely fantastic. I've seen so many kids engaged and enjoying themselves and showing up for class, and that's thanks to our teachers who put in countless hours planning and preparing and delivering their lessons. So personally, teachers, thank you, thank you, thank you for all you do. I know that the board, our governing board, is always so proud of you, and I hope you have a wonderful and relaxing weekend. You deserve it. Thank you.
Teacher Appreciation Week was last week. Thank you so much to all the parents and to the town of Lantana who helped make this past week so special for our wonderful educators on both of our campuses. Here are some pictures. The elementary campus had a bulletin board contest. Miss Segreto won first place, and Miss Augustin won second place. Let's take a look.
You guys won the bulletin board contest! Yay! I'm so excited!
Here's a message from Ms. Dvorak.
Hi everyone, I'm Christy Dvorak, elementary school counselor, and I wanted to speak on behalf of our mental health guidance department, myself, Dr. Stacy at the middle school and high school campus, and Miss Sally, our licensed mental health counselor. This month is mental health awareness, and we just want to make sure that you know that we're here for you. We're a team, and we really want to work together to help your students and your children achieve, and that is through mental health, being aware of how we can socially, emotionally support our students, our children, so that they can succeed. We know it's been a challenging year, and at the beginning of the year, I gave a training to our teachers and parents, being able to know that it's okay to be okay, it's okay to not be okay. And it's also okay to ask for help. So we just wanted to, again, just state that we're here working together, building character, especially in challenges. With the Positivity Project here at the elementary campus, we've gone through now all 24 character strengths. You've received emails from me entitled P2 Family Discussion. That's our Positivity Project. Again, just having that discussion at home to build character through adversity, through challenges. We're going to cycle through some of the character strengths again next week. Optimism, also looking at perseverance, and finally with teamwork. So I just wanted to reach out to you again. If there's anything that we can do, please let us know. As we finish off this year, we want to end on a great note. Thank you.
Here's Miss Braylo's second graders with a poem about their smiles underneath their masks.
I started second grade, virtual learning indeed. For a year, yes, we're learning how to read. Understand, hope, or even share. Our teachers showed us that they really care. Under our masks, we smile together. Our PBMA memories will last forever.
Nurse Bobby and Nurse Kim asked if parents could please send a bottle of water with their students each day, especially when they have PE. The water fountains are currently disabled due to COVID. Please remember that masks must be worn properly over your nose and mouth on campus. And Mr. Barone asked me to remind everyone that there is no eating or drinking on the buses. 12 of our 3rd through 5th graders participated in our Girls on the Run program. Girls on the Run is an after-school program designed to inspire girls of all abilities to recognize and embrace their inner strength. Lessons emphasize the importance of the connection between physical and emotional health. Here they are participating in the end of the year 5K run. We had a baby shower for Miss Maloney. Congratulations on your soon-to-be-born baby girl. Here are the elementary Sharks of the Month. And finally, here are our secondary Sharks of the Week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.